Okay, in this video, we are going to learn May's method of merging darts. In a bodice situation where you have two darts and you'd like to combine them into one at the same location, this method works exceptionally well. So thank you to May for discovering it. What we're going to first do is make sure that the darts that we have are official darts. So in your edit pattern tool, you can go ahead and click on a dart. If both legs are highlighted, that's great. If not, select both with a shift key and then go into edit dart with a right click. So edit dart, left click to select that, and then don't change any of the parameters except to uncheck the shape dart cap box and hit OK. With the other dart, you'll do the same thing. And here I see that only one leg is being highlighted. So I can shift select the second with my left click of my mouse, right click on one of the legs to edit the dart. Again, uncheck the shape dart cap and hit OK. So now, in order to rotate these darts, you can select one by clicking on the legs and select the other by clicking on the vanishing point, not the legs. Click your dart and then say rotate dart. There we are. And then click on the segment to draw the new dart location. Or in this case, we are going to actually select the vanishing point of the dart we want to merge with. When we do that, we can see that we get a connector line. So this is essentially what it would look like if we were to draw an internal line as a pivot location here. And so this is going to split the dart here and rotate the fullness to whichever dart we select. So now it's requesting us to select the side to rotate. And here when we select this, we can rotate to close the shoulder. You can see how I'm closing the shoulder here, or we can opt to close the waist dart. So either are an option, so it doesn't matter which dart you select. You can rotate around that pivot point here and select which one you want to open or close. In this case, I would like to bring the fullness from the shoulder down to the waistline. So I'm going to close up here at the top. And I will complete this task by left clicking on that point. And then I'm going to move my cursor to set the dart length. And I'm going to keep it the same length as it was before. You can see the angle is slightly off. We can fix that afterwards. So again, left click to finish that. And you can see we're left with a point at the top, which we can delete. We can delete some baselines eventually. And if we would like to reposition this point, we do then have to make sure that our dart lengths are the same. So I'm going to reposition it. You can see that my left leg is a little bit longer. And so you can equilibrate those legs by starting to move this one. You can see I want to get it to 7.413. I'm going to begin moving it upwards. Right click. Oops, I'm going to try that again. I'm going to click my point. 7.413 is what I'm aiming for. I'm going to select line 2 so that my dart leg is highlighted. And 7.412 is the length of my other leg. Okay, now that that's been changed, I can then go back, click on it, edit the dart, and my dart angle should remain where I placed it. Okay, to clean up your pattern, after you've rotated a dart, go back into your edit pattern, right click on the pattern, unlock all baselines, and delete any baselines that are not useful anymore. Oops, not that one. When you have an option, you might need to go a little bit closer to separate the two a bit better. And I'm going to select all these baselines and delete them. Okay, and there we have our rotated dart using May's method.